After 18 years of trading and testing hundreds of indicators, I finally settled on just one. I genuinely believe this is the best price action indicator available today. I use it every single day, and in this video I'll show you exactly why, and we'll give you access to it as well. So let's first of all understand why this is such a powerful indicator and such a powerful tool. And there's several strategies that derive from this indicator, and I'm going to share one of them with you today. But price action, let's start there. Now, the pillars of price action are as follows, right? You can see them on the chart: structure and trend, support and resistance, value, candlesticks, and multiple time frames. These are all the things that you need to grasp as a trader. And this indicator beautifully visualizes these things for you. So let's start with structure and trend. Now, let's start all the way back up here. So I'm just going to draw structure with my magic pen. It's not that magic, okay? And this is structure and trend. Maybe some of you are good at plotting structure and trend. Maybe some of you need help with it, but it doesn't matter. This indicator does it all for you. So that is structure and trend. Now you can see here, when we break these lows here, it becomes a downtrend. When we break these highs here, it becomes an uptrend. And when we broke these lows here, it becomes a downtrend. Now you can beautifully see that with these markers. So this red arrow here, this candle represents a structure change. And you can see in the river, the smart river, that our indicator actually turns red. Okay, and the same is true for an uptrend. So you can see this candle, we have the arrow, the green arrow signifying a change of trend. Our smart river then changes color to an uptrend. Okay, and you can clearly see we break these highs. And then finally, once we get a break of these lows, you can see this candle is the candle that breaks those lows, and you can clearly see our indicator changes color, and we are now in a downtrend. So number one, structure and trend, it beautifully highlights that, okay, with clear colors, and it shows you the candle which is responsible for that structure break. So this gives us a clear indication of if we want to buy or if we want to sell. So if the smart river is green, we want to buy. If the smart river is red, we want to sell. We're now going to focus on 2 and 3, so support and resistance and value. Before I do, guys, if you want access to this indicator and a 7-day free trial, then please go check out the video description and you can get access to it. Also, don't forget to smash the like button. So support and resistance. Now, the smart river acts as dynamic support and resistance. So as soon as the river turns red, we know that we want to sell this. And then you can see how price retraces to the river, and it's a very good area to trade from. Okay, this happens over and over again because this is the mean of the chart. You can even see here, guys, in this downtrend, right, we get a reaction here. Price breaks up, and then we get a reaction back at the river to move up. Okay, so you can see it's very good dynamic support and resistance. And because we need that retrace into the river to take the trade, it's also very good value. So we know this candle here, right, made this a downtrend. We broke these lows. But as price comes down, we don't want to be selling here, right? There's no value here. But when we get a pullback to the river, this represents good value and an excellent area to trade from. So we get support and resistance dynamically, and we get great value. I don't want to start selling from here. I want to start selling from in the river. So let's focus on 4 and 5 now, candlesticks and multiple time frames. But before we do, you can clearly see we have more than just an indicator here. This is giving us a strategy in itself. We know direction, we know where we want to trade from, and we know that we're getting value. Now, we just got to focus on entries, right? Now, our VIP community is using this indicator several ways. Okay, now I'm going to show you one way using the daily chart, right? Because a lot of our guys are busy professionals and the daily chart suits them. But as I said, you could drop down to lower time frames and use multiple time frames to enter. Okay, and again, guys, if you want access to the VIP and this indicator, then please don't forget to check out the 7-day free trial in the link in the video description. So, as I said, we have got our direction. We're in a downtrend. Okay, the river is red. We know that we want to trade from the river because this represents value. And all we're looking for, number 4, is a bearish candlestick. Obviously, a bullish candlestick in an uptrend. But in a downtrend, we're looking for a bearish candlestick. And as you can see, we get one right there. We enter on the close of that candle, we put our stops above the river, and then we're just looking left. We're saying, where is the next piece of support that we can aim for? And you can clearly see there's some there. And we have a nice sell trade. If we carry this trend along, you can also see we get another setup. So a pullback to the river, a bearish daily candle, that's where we enter. Enter on the close of the candle, stops above the river, and we look to take it back down to the next piece of support. Some of our traders are dropping down to lower time frames to refine their entries, but you get the idea, guys, right? This indicator shows you price action. It clearly identifies structure and trend and therefore direction. It has dynamic support and resistance where we trade from. We know that those areas are giving us value because it is a retrace. And then candlesticks, right, little discretionary, but that is how we enter. And if you really want, you can go down to multiple time frames to refine your entry. So there you go, guys. This is by far the best price action indicator I have ever used in my 18 years of trading. And right now, if you want a 7-day free trial to the indicator and our VIP Academy, then go check out the link in the video description. Have a great trading day. See you soon.